Boo! I bet I can make a yawn in 5 steps. First, bite your lip once. Second, eat your head. Third, blink 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fourth, leave a like on this video. Follow my instructions. And finally, shake your head. Oh,